Hello everyone! In this tutorial I will explain how to remove the author and the last saved by metadata from multiple Word documents at once. So this is a bulk remove method. And this also can be done in Microsoft Word, however this will have to be done individually for each document. In this method we'll only use Windows Explorer to batch remove the metadata through the Properties dialog. The author details column can be enabled in Windows, as I will show you in just a second, to confirm that data meta has been removed. So let's start. Let's open our folder document, and let's say that properties from these documents needs to be removed. And now let's go back. Let's close this window. Now we will expand our preview so we can add author here in this column. And this is current author. And this author we want to remove it in bulk. Okay. Now, let's select all documents, right-click in Properties, now click on Details, and we have Author here as well, and last saved by, and at the bottom we have Remove Properties and Personal Information. So click here and select here Remove the following properties from the file and check fields that you want to remove, like author and last saved by. Okay, and then you can click OK. And now click OK once more, and as you can see, the authors column is now empty. If we open the document and go to File, go to Related People, all fields are empty. Now we can close this window. And this is all. Thank you for watching and see you soon.